What if I told you that for the price of a mid-range soundbar like this one, you could get a fully wireless Dolby Atmos surround sound system that transforms your living room into a cinematic experience? Well, now you can. Meet the ULTIMEA Skywave X40, the sound system that makes premium home theater finally accessible. Hi there, Frank George here, introducing today the amazing ULTIMEA Skywave X40, a brand new entry-level 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos system that offers immersive surround sound, powerful bass, and a setup so simple you'll wonder why you ever dealt with complicated installations and messy cables before. Here's what it looks like when you get yours, and it's so simple, truly so simple to put together. It's professionally and carefully packed. You'll find the soundbar itself, a 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer, 2 wireless rear speakers, power cables, and a remote. The design is sleek and compact. It's perfect for small to medium-sized living rooms. Tremendously easy to set up and connect. And once all the components are out, just follow the quick start guide for the Skywave X40. It's very descriptive. It shows you what to connect with what, how to put the soundbar together, and what the remote control does, and exactly how to hook the HDMI cable up to your TV. Very well done. So the first thing to do is to connect the sound bar. You can see there are pins, and all you have to do is connect the pins and turn. So let's do it. I've done one side already. Now I'm going to do the second side. That's it. Soundbar's ready to go. Plug in your HDMI cable, plug in your digital cable, and plug in your power cable. Now, they've done a really great job of identifying each cord. This one says soundbar power adapter. And the speakers have the same label. The label says surround sound speaker. So I hooked both of the power cables up to both of the surround sound speakers. Just plug in the cord for the subwoofer. There are instructions in the starter guide for how to use the remote. Everything's paired at the factory, and thanks to the dual 5G wireless transmission, the rear speaker's subwoofer connects seamlessly to the soundbar. No running cables across your living room compared to traditional old wired systems. Just plug it all in and power it on, and you're ready to go. It offers wireless multi-channel setup. Dual 5G transmission ensures stable, low latency audio without messy cables. My first impression was amazing. When you power it on, boom, you're in for a great surprise.
Seen from space, Africa is dominated by great swathes of desert and rainforest. Caught between these extremes lies a band of grasses and dry woodland, the savanna. It's incredibly fickle.
The ULTIMEA surround sound transforms watching movies at home. If you're like me, you love your powerful bass. 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer delivers room-shaking low frequencies for movies and games and music. The internal NeuroCore delivers optimized audio processing. NeuroCore DSP ensures amazing and accurate sound reproduction and cinematic immersion. The 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos, you get true overhead effects from the upward firing drivers for true overhead and surround effects with upward firing drivers and wireless rear speakers. Sounds feel like they're happening right above you, and ambient sound wraps around the room. And if you love music like we do, just give a listen.
Well, a plane touched down just about 3 o'clock and the city's still on my mind.
The vocals are crisp, instruments are well separated, and that wireless subwoofer delivers deep, room-shaking bass without overpowering the mids and highs. And gamers, you'll absolutely love it too. With the low latency wireless, it means no lag between the action and the sound, making all the special effects feel precise and immersive. You know, comparable systems from Samsung, JBL, and Bose cost significantly more. The Skywave X40 delivers Dolby Atmos performance at a fraction of the price, making it one of the best value for money systems in its class. And you'll get a choice of full control with either the remote that's included or your smartphone using the app. So if you're setting up your first Dolby Atmos home theater, have a small to medium-sized living room like mine, or just want immersive surround sound without breaking the bank, the ULTIMEA Skywave X40 is a fantastic choice. It's wireless, powerful, and affordable. Three things you rarely see together in a home theater system. Honestly, it's hard not to recommend this as the go-to entry-level Atmos setup. And if you're a minimalist, this compact and modern design fits seamlessly into any living space. And remember, if you're frugal, this system is an exceptional value, delivering Dolby Atmos performance comparable to higher-end systems at a much more affordable price. So check out the ULTIMEA Skywave X40 and use the link in the description to enjoy a special discount. There is a code online waiting just for you. Enjoy!
Which at the moment